Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can change your always on display theme. So first let's open our device and go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and go for the lock screen, find always on display, and we have to scroll down and go for the clock style. Okay, and as you can see, here we got a couple of the themes that I already here. We can also download other from Google Themes. We can set up the default like this one, but let's choose from image from the gallery. So there we got the banana. Let's choose this one, click on it, then tap done, and as you can see, we can even save and set up our own image as our always on display theme in the smartphone. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.